Now this figure 19-21 deals with motor compressors and equipment on a 15 or 20 amp branch circuit, not cord and plug connected, in accordance with NEC 440.54. Now we also have outlined here another NEC loop for you, and requirements are listed in 440.54. But if you want to zero in on, say, the overloads, 440.54a. Time delay type characteristics, 440.54b. Cord and plug connected now, review 440.55. Now in the illustration, we see the branch circuit call out 15 through 20 amps, 120 volt single phase, 15 amp 208 volt or 240 volt single phase. Now we have different components listed in the drawing for the motor compressor, hermetic motor, and so forth. The unit is provided with a soft start so that it would reduce any kind of inrush type related current to a value that wouldn't trip a 15 or 20 amp device as permitted in accordance with 440.54. Now, I recommend that it wouldn't be a bad thing to start with 210.21 through 210.24 with the tables listed there, and more especially table 210.24, because the information there really outlines just exactly how these circuits can be loaded based upon the type of loads and the conditions of use. But this figure 19-21 is simply illustrating motor compressors and equipment on a 15 or 20 amp branch circuit that are not cord and plug connected type equipment.